just in the back.
Oh, just in the back?
And I think I have a lot of grub problems and it's just spreading.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're on a lawn talking about grubs. Let's get into it. What are grubs? They're the larvae of beetles and they cause brown damage like this across the lawn. They feed on the grass roots, can turn a nice green lawn into brown overnight. As you can see here, there's a lot of grub damage and we actually found a few throughout the lawn. Oh yeah, there's one right there. Here's what to look for. Irregular brown patches, grass that pulls up like carpet, or even animals digging throughout the lawn looking for those grubs. You might notice birds, skunks, or raccoons digging through the lawn. Grubs are most active late summer, early fall. That's when they're feeding heavily before going deeper into the soil for the winter. The damage shows up after they're done feeding. That's why prevention is the key. So now that you know how to find grubs, let's use a curative. Lawn Doctor offers a curative to take the grubs out on impact. However, the best way to fight against grubs is to use a preventative in the late spring or early summer. Once the grubs are gone, you'll need to help the lawn heal. That means aeration, seeding, and proper watering to get that nice thick lawn back. A healthy, dense lawn is your best defense against pests in the future. That goes for anything, fungus and disease as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.